Weight loss to strong bones? 6 reasons to add jowar or sorghum to your diet. Number 1. Jowar is easier to digest than wheat, increases metabolism and prevents stomach disorders. Number 2. Eating jowar, which contains a high concentration of calcium, can help to strengthen your bone. Number 3. Jowar's high fiber content aids in weight loss. It also increases satiety, preventing unwanted cravings. Number 4. Jowar is beneficial to your cardiovascular health. It aids in the reduction of LDL, the improvement of HDL, good cholesterol, and the maintenance of energy levels. Number 5. Eating jowar improves blood circulation and aids in detoxifying. As a result, it is thought to be beneficial for skin diseases. Number 6. Jowar can be used to make porridges, roti, cakes, chilla, biscuits, and bread, among other things. People seeking healthier alternatives to traditional grains are increasingly turning to jowar or sorghum. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.